Stretch marks are totally normal. But if you're trying to fade them, turmeric is one of the most talked about natural options. But does it actually work? And how long does it take? Today I'm breaking down the realistic timeline, what turmeric can actually do, and how to use it correctly for the best results. Why turmeric works. Turmeric's active compound curcumin helps stretch marks by reducing inflammation in new red or purple stretch marks, boosting collagen, better elasticity, improving pigmentation, softening old scar tissue. New red marks respond much better than older white marks. What turmeric can and can't do. Turmeric can fade redness, improve texture, brighten the area, boost elasticity, soften older stretch marks. Turmeric can't completely remove stretch marks, work instantly, replace dermatologist treatments. Realistic goal: expect 20–40% improvement over 3 to 6 months. Realistic timeline: weeks 1 to 4. You may not see a big difference yet. Skin feels smoother, more hydrated. Weeks 5 to 8. Red or purple marks begin fading. Texture starts improving. Weeks 9 to 12. Newer marks 20–30% fading. Older marks softer, better blended months. 4 to 6. New marks 30–40% improvement. Old marks 15–25% improvement. This is where most people see their best results. Best ways to use turmeric: 1. Turmeric soap daily. Massage on marks for 60–90 seconds. 2. Turmeric oil, most effective. Apply 3 to 5 drops and massage for 2 to 3 minutes. 3. Turmeric body scrub, 2 to 3x week. Improves texture and absorption. Best approach: Chandra combination routine. Soap, oil, moisturizer, scrub, 2 to 3x weekly. This routine gives the fastest results. Tips to boost results: drink water, plus moisturize daily massage to increase circulation, add vitamin E after turmeric use. SPF on exposed areas. Be consistent. Twice daily is key. Turmeric can significantly fade stretch marks, but it takes consistency and realistic expectations. If you're aiming for smoother, more even skin over a few months, turmeric is an amazing natural option.